Hi, welcome to my physics class. My name is Joel. Today we're going to try and answer a question from SSC. And the question says, an object projected at an angle to a level ground has a time of flight 4 seconds to move through still air. Calculate the maximum height attained by the object. Take acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meters per second square. So in physics, whenever you see a question, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, where is this question coming from? Which topic in my entire study of physics is this question coming from? Secondly, you need to ask yourself, what are the possible equations or formulas that are within that topic? If you're able to answer that, you'll be able to manipulate those equations to answer the question, because questions will never come direct to apply the formulas. So clearly this question is coming from what? Projectile. It's coming from projectile. And in projectile we have things, we have subtopics, we have time of flight, we have maximum height, we have range. Those are the subtopics that are within projectile and their formulas. So if we're to calculate or to solve this question, let us bring out what is given to us first. We have what? Time of flight. The given values, time of flight, t is equal to what? 4 seconds. What else is given to us? Acceleration due to gravity, 10 meters per second square. And they said we should calculate what? H max, right? So we can go straight to the formula and say that H max, which is maximum height in short, is what? U square sine square theta all over 2g. Now clearly we don't know what our u is. U is generally initial velocity. Theta is what? The angle that was not given to us, the angle of projection. It was not given to us. The only thing we know here is what? T. So now we think about another formula. We have what? Time of flight here. What is the formula for time of flight? Time of flight is equal to what? 2u sine theta all over g. So what we can do here is, since we know what t is, we know what g is, we can make u the subject of the formula, right? So let's use this formula to get our u. T is equal to what? 4, equal to 2u sine theta all over g, right? And we know that g is what? 10. If I cross multiply here, I'm going to get what? 40 equal to 2u sine theta, right? Clearly 2 can go into this, 20. So we have what? 20 equal to u sine theta. Making u the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by sine theta, we have what? U equal to 20 all over sine theta. So we can use this and substitute it back into this formula to get our H max. So H max now is equal to what? Right? We have what? 20 all over sine theta all squared because of u square here. And then we have what? Sine square theta all over this 2g. So H max is equal to, if we distribute this square for the fraction, we have what? 400, because 20 square is 400 all over what? Sine square theta. And then we have sine square theta here all over 2 times 10, because g is equal to 10. So initially you might panic thinking that, we don't have theta, how am I going to solve this? But the person or the people that set the question, they know that theta is supposed to cancel itself. That's why they did not give you theta. So if you don't know how to solve it, you begin to panic. So clearly here, what do we see? Sine square theta will cancel sine square theta. So we have our H max to be equal to 400 all over 2 times 10 is 20. So we have H max to be what? 400 divided by 20 is 20 meters. So the maximum height taken by the projected object to travel a time of flight of 4 seconds is what? 20 meters. So if you have any question or any confusion in the steps, please ask me in the comment section and I'll answer you. Thank you.